Making buffalo wings at home is super easy. The recipe is in the description. All that you need is a food thermometer, and if you don't have one, simply keep the heat at high. Let's start with our blue cheese dip. 50 grams of sour cream, 100 grams of milk, 40 grams of blue cheese, 20 grams of mayo, 1 tablespoon of lime juice, 1 garlic clove, and some salt. Medium fire or 6 to 7 for electric stoves. We got our ingredients ready, and now pour the milk in your saucepan. In goes the sour cream, the mayo, and the blue cheese. Stir it a little, add the salt, 1 tablespoon of lime juice, fire off, and add the chopped garlic. Total cook time is only like 2 minutes. Now stir well, and you can pour your blue cheese dip to where your sour cream used to be. Stir one last time and place it to a fridge. Dry up your wings. And now, be generous with the salt. Mop it up and massage them. Pour roughly 1 liter of oil. The oil needs to be hot and your wings swimming in it. High heat with fire lightly running by the sides of your pot, or 8 to 9 for electric stoves. Food thermometer in, and wait for it to reach about 210 degrees Celsius. And now throw in your wings. A good amount to cook is half a kilogram at a time. I'm using 1 kilogram because I have a larger pot. Once all your wings are in, stir them every once in a while and cook for 10 to 13 minutes while maintaining 180 to 190 degrees Celsius. You'll see your temperature drop, but that's not a problem. Play with the fire until you reach the required temperature. That's why we started off at 210 in the first place. Stir them a few more times, and after about 11 minutes, depending on your wing size, it's time to take them out. Beautiful color, beautiful sound. Hot sauce time! 100 grams of butter. 1 onion, roughly chopped. 75 grams of hot sauce, Tabasco, Frank's Red Hot, or whatever you like. 1 small teaspoon of paprika, 1 small teaspoon of garlic powder, and 1 small teaspoon of lime juice. And 1 small spoon of brown sugar. Medium fire or 6 to 7 for electric stoves. Let your butter melt, stir well, and now add the roughly chopped onion. I don't add onion powder because the sauce gets less flaky, but the fresh onion still gives its flavor to the butter. Once the onion gets yellow to golden brown, remove it from the pan. Hot sauce in. Stir well. Pour in your spices and the lime juice. Fire off. Pour in the brown sugar and give it a good stir. The better you stir it, the less flaky and clumpy your sauce gets. If you want a more runny sauce, you could actually skip adding the spices. Sauce straight on your wings. Mix it well. And now, shaking time. Toss them around, shake them well until your wings get perfectly coated with the hot sauce. Amazing. Serve with carrot or celery sticks, your blue cheese dip, and now cooking the perfect buffalo wings at home will be easy. Oh yeah, I forgot my glass of apple juice. Cheers!